Dramatic irony. So, what is a dramatic irony? It refers to a type of irony in which the audience knows something secret, but the character is unaware of it. What does it mean by this definition? Simply, it is a literary technique which is originally used in Greek tragedy, through which the audience or the readers have better understanding of the events than the character in the story or in the play. For example, in Shakespeare play, King Lear, we know that King Lear's most loyal daughter is Cordelia, but he cannot see it. This is the audience or readers who know that Cordelia is the most loyal among the king's daughters, but the character king is not aware of it. So this is a dramatic irony. Similarly, in tragedy Oedipus Rex, we the audience know that Oedipus is the murderer of his father, but he is not aware of it and searching for the murderer of his father. Though we are the audience or the readers, we know that he himself killed his father and then he is searching for the murderer of his father and he is unaware of it. So this is dramatic irony. In another tragedy of Shakespeare, Othello, we the audience or the readers know that the wife of Othello, Desdemona, did not cheat on him, but the character Othello does not know in the play. So this is a dramatic irony. Well guys, if you have enjoyed the lecture, please like and subscribe the channel. And see you next time. Bye bye.